Hi guys, this is John, Tameside Handyman. This is another product demonstration. This is for a Swirl traditional chrome bath shower mixer. So obviously this is loose at the moment because obviously it's not on the bath and it's not all tightened up. I'm sure I don't have to tell you that much. So yes, this is for a bath. It's to replace your bath taps, should you wish to. It's in the traditional style as per the description. So we've got full turn. Let's see if I can get that into focus. Ooh. How's that looking? There we go, that's a little bit better. That's the lever which diverts the water from the tap to the shower head. So it also comes with a shower hose, and it comes with, it's still packed up, a small shower head. Now you can put on a different shower head if you so choose. Now this is designed to go where your bath taps are at the moment. So the shower hose is not mega long. If you wanted to get another shower hose, you could get a longer shower hose, should you wish to, and you could have the shower head higher up. So you've got various options there, but as standard, this is how it comes. The shower head sits on top there. I hope you can hear me with this in front of the microphone. So let's have a look. Okay, very heavy, high quality. Okay, don't worry about the plumbing down here, that's for me to do. This is the diverter. So basically it flips from coming out of here to fill your bath, like you would with your bath tap, or it to come out of here, which would then be connected to your shower hose, which goes up, and it comes with a small shower head hose, shower head holder. That's also packaged up at the moment, but you can see what I'm coming at, where I'm coming at. There you go, just about to see that. So that's what it comes with. So I've fitted a number of these for people where they wanted either just a traditional look, or basically they would wanted to have a shower and a bath tap mixer where they currently haven't got one, or obviously just to replace one that they have got. This will go either way, so that'll turn round if you wanted the head the other way and the hose coming out the other way. Again, none of this is tightened up for obvious reasons because we're just doing a demo. So if you want to take a closer look at that, there we go. There we go, and that is what you get. Along with that, and the, excuse me one second, the shower head, which again you can't see because it's wrapped up. I'll tell you what. Here's what you get. Again, in the traditional style. Small but effective, as they say. Okay, so that's what you get, guys. And that is the Swirl Traditional Chrome Bath Shower Mixer. Available for supply and fit on my website, handymantameside.com. Just go to book now, go to the appropriate subcategory, appropriate category, and you'll see all my taps, kitchen taps, wash basin taps, bath taps, mixer taps, showers, etc, etc. Okay guys, and please do allow a couple of days notice for your booking, because this is not obviously normally a stock item. This will be going to a customer very shortly. Okay guys, thank you very much.